The Good Design Award Best in Class for Service Design Education Services goes to the Innovate Curriculum, school-based design thinking for sustainable futures, designed by Darren Menachemson and Ian Thompson, and commissioned by Ed Institute and the ACT Government.
We had a really diverse group of projects, which ranged from everything from high-end machinery to medical equipment. The standard was excellent. The process undertaken needed to be fit for purpose, and the outcome needed to have a strong action orientation. We selected the Innovate Curriculum, school-based design thinking. This is a critical skill to teach young people. At a time where they live with unprecedented levels of climate and pandemic stress, teaching them to navigate complex systems is not only a skill, it's essential for their generation's very survival. Most importantly, in creating belief in the students, we turn their rightfully simmering anger into a genuine passion for change. So on behalf of the jury, congratulations to the whole team on an outstanding project and a fantastic outcome. You deserve to be recognised at the highest level in these awards. So well done.
My name's Ian Thompson from the Ed Institute, and I want to start by thanking everybody at Good Design for the incredible privilege and amazing honour that it is to be nominated in the service design category. Thank you for your recognition. It means so much to all of us. So our product was a collaboration with ActSmart and the ACT Government to come up with a curriculum that helps young people design sustainable solutions for the transport in their lives. Essentially, it's them creating prototypes for greener and leaner transport in the ACT and beyond. The idea is that they do what's authentic to them and meaningful to their lives. And that's at the very heart of our design philosophy. We love working with young people, their teachers and their community members, and we think it's such a privilege to get to work with them in all that they are and all that they can possibly create. When I think of the design for the future, I think of young people. And I think they can create the things, the solutions, the tools and the technologies that can solve all the problems of tomorrow, not just the ones for today. It's been an incredible privilege working with ActSmart and the ACT Government, and again, congratulations to everybody at the Ed Institute and our partners Think Place for what was an amazing achievement.